No sugarcoating. Okay.
Oh yeah, so Megaman is getting a redone.
A reboot?
He's being too fucked up. I think because of my behavior. Yes, a reboot exactly. Because of my behavior, I think.
Is it gonna be
he's just
Megaman
going
powered
insane
up?
That he belongs
You
in a
know?
robo mental hospital. I
wish-
refuse to do that because I'd rather beat up my son myself. So we're gonna reboot his emotions and hope that he's not as fucked up as he is right now.
I wish there was a Mega Man
that's the
powered
plan.
up avatar. At this point, I may as well just make a custom avatar and make it look like it. I really won't want to be fucking funny.
No, not shut up!
Stop letting your alarm go off.
What alarm? What? I had my alarm go off for my
I put it
pills.
on
I almost
snooze,
forgot
so-
again. Fucking hate it.
This time I turned it
So
off.
we will begin
Okay, anyways.
surgery
Okay,
once everyone is
ready.
in the room.
So I saw on the Discord the whole situation about a certain someone. I don't believe it for a minute. He lied last time. He's probably lying about that too to sound like a threat. I don't believe it.
Wait, what happened?
May I ask who?
You know, the one that you guys, the person that you guys were, you know, disabled.
Are we ready?
We're gonna watch my son
forms.
have the most painful
Oh my-
Get the fuck out of the
Get out of there.
protective cylinder.
Yeah.
Hold on. Get out of the.
standing over here.
Explain the rules to him. It's very.
Explain the rules. What is this,
You
a
can't go
freaking
in there.
video?
Here, I'll explain it. Always go inside the cylinder and disrupt it.
No.
Got it.
No.
don't
You're a
never go
stupid robot.
inside.
You're a mistake. You're a joke. This is why you're getting reprogrammed.
now.
You're gonna make
how
his
to speak
dementia
up
more
to
Can I
severe. Come
verbally
on,
assault Grievous's son? Do I get permission?
No.
As long as you're
After
outside
the
of the
surgery.
chamber.
The surgery. No. The
Alright,
point
fuck
is,
you.
surgeon's gonna do that
Surgery.
for you because it's painful as
Oh
fuck.
my god, stop.
Oh my god.
I'm a robot, so I can't really
Alright.
feel pain, but...
What the end is
Wait, Ash, real quick. On his,
Okay,
on
good
his left
idea.
butt cheek, turn on my
Megaman,
switch.
bend
That's
over.
his pain analyzer mode.
Wait, what?
What?
Why do you know
On your
where
left
that
butt cheek is a
is?
switch.
Oh boy.
Wait,
No,
what?
what?
Switch?
Well, how do you think I know?
I'm not repeating what
I'm
he
his father.
said.
I abuse him.
What?
I don't like the location of where it was.
Grievous, where
He
is
doesn't
it?
know because
Where
he has
is it?
dementia. Oh, his left butt cheek. Like right, like it's like almost in the
Mega
crotch.
Man.
You just gotta flip it up.
Mega Man.
No. Grievous, no.
Just do it.
No.
It's for your own good. We need the
Before I
full
give you
experience
death
for you, okay?
surgery.
This is for your own good.
Mega Man, think
Okay,
about it.
no.
We can,
Okay,
Mega Man,
sure.
think about it. We can power you up, if you know what I mean. If you get the reference.
Get the fuck out of the
Exactly,
protective cylinder.
See, Sans know what he's talking about.
This is so
I
uncomfortable.
am not gonna let my headset die.
What
I'm
is
gonna-
the new?
I'm gonna watch-
Analysis
I'm
is
gonna
on.
see.
Play it while charging, you idiots. Go buy a Motorola
that's what I'm
charger
doing.
because it works. Go play a Motorola charger
Oh.
because it charges your headset.
The
Actually,
reason why I haven't
Okay.
been talking or anything for like a whole
Hey,
week
Now,
is because
we'll
my
be
phone
removing
died,
his
so
trust
I
and
couldn't
you're-
talk to
you're-
anybody for a while.
You're
Where
Braxton.
do you keep
You're
the
you're
chips?
dating your wife,
I'm
or
keeping
Bell
your,
Fox.
like, alright,
Yeah, actually,
I'm
I
just
kinda
gonna
was.
Open your head.
Hey,
Alright.
knew it.
Dude, these chips are literal potato chips. What the fuck?
Yeah,
I'll
just
put on
put
the
my head
dance.
on
Here,
top.
here, Mega Man. Just don't tear, Mega Man. I'll put on the dance.
Get
Here.
out of the sphere. Get out of the sphere.
It's not a needle.
I'm not going to fucking repeat
Hey,
myself,
Ash,
you
Ash,
bitch.
Ash, Ash,
Sorry.
Ash. Here, will this change your mind? Money always changes people's minds. Come on.
No, why are you bribing him? Just go.
okay.
I'll
in
give
the
you some
corner
suntan
like
lotion. I'll give you some
Anyone may
suntan
know-
lotion.
Ew, this
Are you
This is-
implying what
This
I
is a
look
hospital,
like?
not a
Tisk,
freaking beach.
rude.
Go over there.
God, whatever.
And I have syphilis, so
Oh, yeah.
what?
He just came everywhere.
So are you gonna do it?
We're coming
Are you gonna do
everywhere.
what? What did I come in here for? What's going on?
Okay.
Oh my god.
To watch the
Surgery.
death surgery.
I mean, I get you have dementia, but
Do
you
you need
really
a
need to
procedure?
put notes on your
Okay.
fridge.
I think he needs it too.
Okay.
I know
will
what he
make
needs.
this experience as painful as
Wait, he's
possible.
getting an upgrade? I thought he was pregnant.
Hey, Mega Man. Hey,
What?
Mega Man. Hey, Mega
He's
Man.
not getting a
Did you get
C-section.
that hypothesis from?
I'm kicking the fuck out of this chamber.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
All right.
I'm sorry.
All right. I will now.
Boo! I want gore and blood. Hurry up!
Oh, what the heck? That looks like an...
Hurry up! I didn't pay top money for nothing.
Dude, it needs drill too.
Ow.
Megaman, just think of it as Drill Man. Megaman, think of it as Drill Man. Think of it as you're fighting Drill Man.
Oh yeah, when he drilled me.
I'm grossed.
You know what? I'm using this computer.
Here's some candy corn, Megaman. Here's some candy corn. Here's some candy corn.
Oh
Here.
yeah, I remember that when I was younger. And with the corn.
What?
Even better.
I'm not inside the chamber, idiot.
What do you mean? This is
Outside the chamber. Oh yeah.
You're
I
putting
gotta
it
do
on
the
Pornhub.
surgery.
Look at
I'm
the
putting
link.
it on
It's just
Lively.
Pornhub.com.
You know what, Megaman?
Dude,
I'm
it's
drilling
Lively.
your entire
Why is the
body.
website
No, it's
orange and black?
robohub.com. It's RoboHub. He went on robohub.com. Yes. Megaman, hey! Look at the candy corn! Look at the kid! Look at the damn candy corn! Yes, it is. Everyone,
Is it the circus? Stop throwing fucking food at him.
Yeah, it's a circus.
I mean, it's round like a big top.
Motivation,
It has a giant
motivation.
thing like a big top. So, I mean, Ash, I don't know. Has special effects like a big top. Like, come on.
Really? You're gonna go midway
Bro,
through
you're
a
not done.
surgery?
Do
That's
the
it.
procedure.
Give me a
Ash.
second.
Oh my gosh, I swear, I just got here, Ash. I just had a
Ash just
crisis.
said you're about to do the surgery. Get
Wait, Mega
drilled
Man,
over my
think of it this way.
insides.
After the surgery, you'll be the reboot Mega Man
Oh,
on
no.
Cartoon Network, the best Mega Man series. Think about it.
You're
Guys,
talking
what
about
you
Where's
hear
that.
me?
not powered up? That's
I don't know what it is.
charged?
I literally
Yes,
have brain
why are you
damage.
meditating
Could hear
right now?
you.
Is that part of the procedure?
No. Stop. Hold on. My thing's shitting bricks. Hold
Yeah, I
up.
think
Yeah.
he just left and got angry at you.
Megaman, stay right there and
Where is he, Angie? Oh God.
He went to the bathroom.
Poor man.
Hey, Mega Man, check this out. Look.
Everyone's shitting.
Changed.
So if he freaking dies, I'm sorry, I'm coming in there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
no.
you go in there.
I guess we gotta finish it. We gotta finish it, Angie.
Alright, you
Hey,
guys
Doc,
do all the
just
work.
let me just crack my knuckles real
I'll
quick.
just impress Mega Man with candy corn some more.
Alright.
There you
I
go.
mean,
Alright,
all he
Mega
did
Man.
want to do is
A whole.
There you
for
go.
yeah.
Mega Man, look
I
at
don't
me, Mega Man.
remember.
I'll be the dumb clown. I'll be the stupid
Didn't he say if you do
Cannot
sound inside the
believe-
cylinder, I'll die?
Nope, no. Just look at the
Yes,
candy. Here's some
also-
candy. Take some candy. Here. Never mind. That
You
sounds
gave him a
weird.
freaking doll?
For comfort. For
Is
comfort.
this like-
It's my wife
Yes.
and his mother.
Is this like
It's comfort.
Kirby and Magalore had a sex child, like the King Babam from Mario 64 and Marax
Why would
from
you
Kirby
bring up
Superstar had
Magalore?
sex? Because it looks like they had sex and that's what happened.
I'm gonna pretend I
Oh,
knew what
Jevil.
you said, and
Jevil,
I'm gonna answer
Jevil.
yes.
Great.
Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna
Alright.
use my wife to hold your body down. Okay, so
Mega Man.
don't feel afraid.
Mega Man. Shh.
Angie, what are you doing? Open up the butthole. What? You gotta put the chip in.
Hey, I'm trying. Hang on.
It's Portal 3! Oh my god, it's Portal 3, Mega Man! Look, it's Portal 3! Did you see it? Did you see Portal 3? Valve can count to 3!
Hang on, putting the chip in.
What the fuck?
And Mega Man, look at me! Look at me! Mega Man, look at me! Just look at Sans! Look at the funny skeleton!
Help.
Look at the funny skeleton!
Robots don't have anesthetics.
Wow, ENG, no reason to
He'll
be
be fine. He'll
racist.
be fine.
Good God. Here, Mega Man,
I'm
here,
sorry.
look at Snapchat, look at Snapchat. Here, see the Snapchat ghost? Oh, yeah.
And
Is it raining outside of my area? What
it's
the
in.
hell am I
It's
hearing?
in. It's in. It's in. It's in. It's in.
Oh, he's flapping.
What?
Wait,
so
Mega
sorry.
Man,
It's
do you get excited whenever you're getting work done? Is this your new
What?
kink?
No, I only get excited if I see a snake.
Man, surgery.
Yes. Now
Yep,
stay
this
out
is
of the
surgery.
tube.
Yeah, get out of here. Go away.
I mean,
Stupid
Ash was
ugly
literally
harpy.
supposed to
Nobody
do it.
likes you.
Basically, he
Ugh.
just quit his
Worst
job.
story enemy.
You know what?
All right.
I'd rather
hold
fight
up, hold up.
Sans.
Mega Man, I'm gonna have to help you. I'm gonna do the incision.
Yeah. Look at that, Mega Man. Just look at that. Watch TV. Palm, you be the TV. There. That's good enough.
You're killing your own son.
Yeah, I'll be the TV. I'll be the TV.
Shh, this is how
Oh,
the procedure works.
guys, it's Xbox. Look,
Stop. You're just killing me.
Mega Man. Look,
Killing
it's
him at this
Xbox.
point.
Look up here. It's
Okay.
Xbox. Xbox 360.
TV.
Here, let me show you how a real incision is done. Hold on.
Now I can't put this on YouTube.
Man, you
You're
guys
supposed
are
to change my
pros.
chip.
Hans here.
Stop
We need
it.
Hans.
Here we go.
Hans,
A real
Hans is
incision.
Who the hell is Han? He's a wannabe Sans-sounding mother.
We already
Sorry.
cut them to bits.
Oh, Ash would like to join
Alright.
back.
Hans
That
is the only one
stupid
that can
mistake
keep
of
him
a
alive.
doctor.
ENG, we need Hans. We need Hans.
No, I already ended it. He already knows.
Yeah, Mega Man. I'll do
what do you say?
ASMR. You know, so
It
because you know
looks
at,
scary.
It was
at
all
every
like
doctor's
that.
place. No. I look friendly. I'm
hold
friendly.
Sans'
I'm
hand.
not that bad.
Hold
Don't worry.
his
Check
hand.
this out. Yeah, here,
Hold his
Mega
hand
Man.
for
You look
comfort.
stressed out here.
Please.
Here. Just
All right. Just
Go,
hold
go,
still.
go,
I'm just
go.
gonna make.
We're about to
Stare at me, stare at me.
thing and
stare at
and
me.
your
Do
horse.
not look away. Just
Wait, staring at the
funny
blade.
skeleton. Look at the skeleton.
I'm not staring at the blade. I'm looking at him.
Look at the funny skeleton. Sorry.
I am. I
Keep
am.
going.
Man,
I am. I literally am
I could
looking
do a
at him.
picture of this.
What?
I almost perished. Oh
I
god.
swear, I know what you're planning with that. This man is
Seven battles out.
It's
Yeah,
it's just a good memory to hold on to.
Yes, I was doing your job for you. I took out the chip and replaced it.
Yeah, Ash, you're a failure. You lost. Get out and be the TV with
we had to
Paul.
take over.
Get out!
So I
Get here, make it man stressed out. Get out of here. You failed. Go.
I'm doing the ex-fatherly thing and do it for you.
You're fine,
my
Mega Man.
surgery.
Oh, you're
you're
scaring
fine, you're
him.
fine.
You're scaring him. Grievous, get in there. Do something about this. You're scaring him. Do something about this. Get back in there.
It's okay, Mega Man. All this is gonna be is extremely torture.
Changed, all formal.
I know. I've been feeling
Sand Underman?
You guys are real bad
Is
at
it
surgery.
just me or
Shut
is
up.
this doctor terrible?
No, you mean you're supposed to go to surgery. If it's hurts,
You're supposed to
then
put
you-
me under
He's
sleep.
doing
Hear
wonders.
it.
See,
Shut up.
I would
Sorry.
say the same thing. My son has not earned his
Sorry.
stuff.
To
He
put
can't
me
do
under
that.
sleep to change my battle
Okay.
chip.
Yeah.
Okay. So, would you like the penis upgrade? I'm confused.
He had-
What were you
That's
saying?
why you carry balls in your backpack. Sorry. I'm out.
Fuck no, get the fuck over here.
Nope. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, good. I got him over here. You fool. You don't know what you're missing out. Home, what are you
just throw
doing?
a sick insult at me. You don't know.
God, you
Say
go
it.
back in there, you idiot!
That was
Go
good.
back in there, go! Ash, no, Ash, this is why you're not the Paul Dan expert. There's a Paul Dan Pokemon over here! Over here!
This was just replacing your
Or-
penis
You
size.
fucking idiot!
Just
I was
replacing
trying to
your
distract him
penis
so you
size.
guys
I
can
do.
Mega Man out! He was screaming in there, did you not hear him? He's in pain! This doctor
I
doesn't
did.
know what he's doing!
I'm adding the larger
he's
dick as
just
per his
screaming.
Quaxley is better than Flay Coco! Oh, shit!
You got nowhere to run now, bitch.
I'm screwed. Don't. I know you did not just throw me in here. I know you would not do that. You. Get, what is this? Your.
This is just the
I can't-
holding chamber.
Yeah, holding chamber. I know what
Oh,
kind of
this is
things
just
goes
the
on in here.
vibrator room.
Why does it smell like. It
This
smells
is
like.
just the. This is just the vibrator.
Why does it smell like Pokemon Journeys in here? Why does it smell like Pokemon Journeys
What the
in
fuck
here?
is? What the fuck does that mean? Okay, do you want me to turn on the shocker?
The shocker?
I will
What?
turn on the
They're saying that
electrocution.
Mega Man's done. They're saying that
I
Mega
will
Man's
turn
done.
on the elect.
I think I might be dead. I think it's over for me. I think I'm done for. I think
Press
I'm
that
dead.
button right
Don't,
behind
that's
you.
the
Press
fuck.
that button that says system. It's an intelligence system.
It's not working. I don't
Okay,
think
you
it
will
works
now
on Quest.
experience an electric shock within 5 minutes.
He's a PC user, and I'm a Quest user. I don't think he knows what he's talking
No, it's just roll with it. Just roll with it.
Fine, I'll roll with it. Okay, I'll roll with it. Okay. All right.
Okay, you may now exit the chamber.
There. Did I do good? Did I get electrocuted? Does that
That's
sound
not
perfect?
the autistic chamber.
Really? Adopt me, not you.
Oh,
God, you know what? No,
God.
I'm putting.
So guys,
cyanide.
how'd it go?
I'm
How
just
did it go?
putting
How did it go? Did
cyanide
I?
in this. I'm putting cyanide.
I'm stitching him up.
No,
Stitch him up.
Father, that is my fucking job. You
Hey,
don't.
Megaman, look at the funny skeleton. Megaman, look at the funny skeleton. Look at the funny skeleton. Don't look at that blade.
I'm literally close to death.
Dude,
you guys
I crashed.
drown out my boil a lot.
Ah, you'll be fine. No, you'll be
Wait,
fine.
wait.
Don't-
Here we go. Megaman, I have a question. Instead of the memories of your loved one, beams flashing before your eyes.
Ash, you motherfucker, you said you're about to give me a hardware, software update.
Just taking a fucking photo of me, you bitch.
No, I'm taking a picture of the operation.
Yeah,
Dumbass.
Aporian's gonna take you to jail. Aporian's gonna take you to jail.
Yep, I'm taking. All
You know
right,
what,
this is
Megaman?
this is me in the hospital room. Megaman's he's gonna have his first baby. It's pretty exciting. He's gonna have his first baby.
All right, so I became a nerd for this.
How many children did you have? How many children did you have?
Well, a million children when I was incinerated, but
All right, so I became a nerd for this
Hold on, I'll
hypothesis.
be a nurse. I'll be a nurse.
Ooh, Nurse Gardevoir? Are you gonna be Nurse Gardevoir? We need a
In
nurse.
order to update.
yeah, but Ash never gave me that. He's just been
Boo.
torturing me using these two.
Well, which is why I'm gonna hook your freaking hard drive to that computer.
No,
Ow, I
and
hit my
that's why
hand.
I'm gonna hook your hard
out there.
drive to the thing. You have to speak like that, idiot. You're a nerd.
I'm sorry.
There
According to
you
my
go.
calculations,
That's better.
yeah.
Oh!
I have.
Yeah! Yes!
No.
God.
No, Ash. No.
Ash, why do you have my... Never mind. My wife.
Okay,
Based on my knowledge, I can't do this.
Keep going!
I'm gonna plug in your hard drive to that computer that's outside. There. How was that?
Hey, I'll be your
Make a nerd
nurse
joke.
today. I'll be looking after
I'm
you.
in
Oh,
the snakes,
yeah!
nah, 10 times.
Mega Man, look, it's Nurse Man. It's Nurse
Okay.
Girl. Nurse Woman. Nurse Woman? I don't know. Mega Girl?
No, it's
I
Nurse
never
Girl?
agreed to having a nurse.
Sexist piece
I'd rather
of...
prefer,
I'd rather
prefer superior to
I'm
calm me
listening
down.
to
coming to you
Not you,
live here in autism
nerdy ass
surgery.
bitch.
How do you feel about this, Mega Man?
I'm
Get out of
dying
my
and
nerve-
dead already. Because they do not
If
know
you
how
were
to do
dead
proper
already, you
surgery at
wouldn't
all.
be talking, you
stitched
stupid
you up.
robot. There, take
Here
some...
we have.
Everyone
have
spit
the
on him.
surgeon.
Everyone spit on the
What would you like
robot.
to say?
I do not know if I want to do that.
no.
Hans, is that you?
He's on fire! He's on fire! He's on fire! Put the fire out! Put the fire
Oh
out.
no, his systems are
This
smoking.
game, you guys suck at this game.
I'm doing a great
Like
job. I
surgery
don't know
as
about
Mega
them.
Man.
They're idiots. I'm doing a great job. Mega Man, look up.
They're just burning me up. They hardly know anything about.
If you use water,
Here, Mega Man, take a beach
That'll
ball. That'll make
electrocute
you
him.
feel... Oh. Well, it fell off
Well,
the
I'm a little
thing.
bit waterproof, but
water?
Water? That
Electricity.
waterproof? What is this?
there, I'm using a fire extinguisher.
What are you?
Thank God. We almost
Hey,
lost
Mega
him.
Man,
We
what are you
almost
gonna
lost
rate this
him.
place? A
It's a
thumbs up or a
pickle.
thumbs down? What are you gonna rate this place?
Jesus
Thumbs up or
Christ.
thumbs down on Yelp?
upload
What are you gonna rate
down
this?
because they do not know how to do
You
surgery at
cannot
all.
rate us a thumbs
Still.
down. Hear me out.
What
If
the
you rate me,
Mega Man?
if you rate a thumbs up and
I'm
you know
gonna-
post my
I'm
name
gonna go
on
to
there.
an app store
No, no,
and
no, no.
Yelp to
Shut
rate you
up
guys
for a
1
second.
star.
This is
Mega Man.
over.
You can rate
I'm
these
going to
losers
show
a
him
thumbs
dying.
down, but me, if you rate me a thumbs
You're
up,
dying.
Yes,
You'll
I
get some
see
Taco
Jesus
Bell.
Christ now.
You'll get
as a
you'll get-
pickle.
you'll get-
Yeah, that's
hey,
definitely
hey,
normal.
hey, hey,
You gave me drugs.
hey, look at me. I'll
watching
get
the
I'll get you
lights.
Taco Bell. If you give me a thumbs up, I'll get you Taco Bell.
Please.
Taco
I
Bell
see Mally
sucks.
from Moana.
Personal opinion.
What?
I see
Your
Mally.
opinion is bad. Shut up, ENG. I bet you like eating at those goddamn health places like Starbucks.
Hold on.
I don't even
Hold on.
drink Starbucks.
Are you
Yeah,
saying
you
because
do.
you like Taco Bell, you like horse cock?
Keep going, Matt. Keep
Yeah,
going,
Undertale.
Muani. Keep going,
Is
Muani.
almost
Keep
as
going.
shitty as the amount of shit I produce after eating Taco Bell.
Is this Rin? Is that you? What? Wait a minute. Rin is the
It's me,
poop
there's
queen. Does that
Rin.
mean her favorite
It's
place
me,
is
there's
Taco
Rin.
Bell?
Yes, yes.
Good point. Alright, I'm gonna start uploading his hard drive
Stop
onto the
jerking me
computer.
off and do the surgery.
Make sure the patient stays still.
Man, I might need to post something on my Snapchat right now, guys. I don't know. I'm sort of kind of busy at the moment. I don't know.
Megaman.
No,
I'm an
that cat
innocent
away from
cat.
me.
I'm
such
starting
an
to see the
innocent
regrets
cat.
in my actions.
I'm a very good
Stay away
surgeon,
from me.
definitely.
You know what? Never mind. I don't see the regrets in
Oh,
my
Oh,
actions.
pumpkin! Megaman.
Is there a squid under that
The
dress?
Reaper.
Is there a squid under that
Reaper.
dress?
I'm the Grim Reaper.
No, he's the Grim Reaper.
I'm the
just happy
Grim
to see you.
Reaper. Megaman, I'm the Grim
Alright, there,
Reaper.
this is
I'm the
pretty-
Grim Reaper, Megaman. I'm the Grim Reaper. I'm
The
the Grim
Grim-
Reaper.
Grievous was
Alright,
pet
Megaman,
cat.
I have some news for you.
Humpy, want to see something awesome? Look, I can become
Why-
the
no,
most...
Before I upload
Why are you
your-
being a meowth
your
in this place?
hard
You know
drive
what
on
kind
the
of things
computer,
could happen.
I'm gonna have to
You have a
shut
king for
down
pumpkins
your
now?
dying
Why are you
remember
violating a
thing.
pumpkin?
I'm the Grim
Sorry to my
Reaper.
son.
Does it not occur to
I'm
you
the
that
Grim-
this is
I'm the Grim
extremely
Reaper.
racist?
I'm gonna unplug.
Everything is
I'm gonna
extremely
plug in the
racist.
hard
You
drive
can't tell
right
me
in the
otherwise.
computer. You will be
I'm the
shut
Grim
off
Reaper.
for a bit.
Okay.
Basically, you'll die.
Megaman,
I'm the Grim Reaper.
Son.
Minutes.
Meow.
Son, I just want you to know before you.
We need
Never
the we need to shut him down. We need to shut him down.
I'm an innocent cat just lying here. Meow. I hope you fucking die, you little punky ass
Not where
cunt.
cats around Grievous. You already know how he gets.
Grievous can suck my dick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do not touch my son.
It's gay.
This is terrible, Mega Man. This is I don't even know anymore. You just you're not dead. You look like you're chilling. You look chill as hell right now. You look fine. You look great. You look great.
He hasn't blinked once. He has to be
Hey,
dead.
just look up. You'll blink once you
Army
look
now,
up.
bitch.
You'll see
I'm up for, like,
Xbox.
30
I see
seconds.
Microsoft.
Hey, Grievous. Hey, Grievous, try me now.
Alright, there we go.
Okay.
His hard drive's plugged in, so now I just gotta plug it into the USB.
Put that up my ass.
Megaman, I'm the Grim Reaper.
Oh, now you're
I'm
shiny.
the
Oh
Grim
my
Reaper.
God! What
Rebooting.
is that? What the heck? No.
You touch my ass.
It's just
What's
a
that?
rabbit. It's just
What?
it's just a rabbit.
It's just
He's not
sand.
friend. Don't,
It's
don't
just
kick
sand.
him.
Give me some fucking food.
Hoyo. Hoyo. Hoyo.
Why are you saying
Actually,
Puyo? You're
just
not
rebooting.
Kirby, idiot. I get it. You guys
Puyo.
had Smash Bros fights, but come on, you're not Kirby.
It's
Who
me,
are
the
you?
Grim Reaper.
Who
Mega
are
I'm
Man.
you?
Mr. Muffin. No,
Oh.
I'm
Me, the
just
Grim
Mr.
Reaper,
Muffin.
Mega Man, you're
I'm
dying.
Mr.
Mega
Muffin.
Man.
Grievous's pet.
You're dying.
I'm
Mr.
Grievous's
Grim
pet
Reaper.
cat.
Get the
Mr.
Hey,
fuck
Mega
out of
Man, look up, Mega Man, look up, Mega Man.
Oh,
You'll feel better. You look up, look up. You'll feel better. Look up.
Calm down. You're just rebooting. Your memories are coming back right
It's
now.
the Grim
Everything's coming
Reaper.
back. Oh, he pulled
I'm
out
about to bring out my gun.
Oh, that's just his pillow. No, the gun is just. Don't be alarmed. That's just his pillow. That's just his pillow. He told me.
Get away from me.
All right, I'm sorry.
What
I'm
is
sorry.
she?
Meow.
Don't-
Meow, meow.
Don't.
Hurry. Kill it.
It's just
Kill it.
cat.
Kill it.
Hey,
Ash,
yo,
if
do
you
you
do not
want
get
some
down
food?
from there, I will
I
freaking
make
kill
Alfie's
you.
Pepino?
Yes,
Oh
I'm making-
God, it's over.
Sir,
That cat is
sir,
about to
sir,
get
sir,
no.
sir.
I'm gonna shoot everyone in this
Sir.
room.
All right, that's it.
Sir,
You're shutting
Mr.
off for a bit.
Mega, Mr. Mega, would you like a complimentary pizza? I make a great chef.
You're not
Shut
Pepino.
him off
Listen.
for a bit.
I know a guy.
I'll
I know a
coppery
guy.
knuckle sandwich
who knows
up
a
your
guy who knows this guy. This guy's
not
a
maybe it's a good
professional.
time,
He's a
bitch.
professional Mega Man autistic surgeon.
Bet.
Since you are the father,
This guy is a professional autistic Mega Man surgeon.
What?
So his hard drive is gonna be rebooting, so all of his memories are dinged up for a bit. Are you gonna be fine with him almost harassing you?
He does it on a daily basis. Come on.
You know what? I have no regrets. No regrets. I'm ready.
All right, well I'm gonna turn him back on.
Can we
and
go
he's gonna
home
be
now?
all-
Grievous, why did
Shut
you
up.
even take me here?
Don't worry, I'll help him.
You know what? Fine. I'll take you home. I'm about to have round
Wake
two on
up,
you.
damn
I got the
it!
wizard.
I'm sorry, you're.
I got the wizard of.
All right, here we go.
Oh, it's one of those classic things that the Mega Man family used to have. I think he had a seizure. I haven't seen him do that in a hot minute.
It's killing me.
I only have 50% blood now. Jesus.
He's giving you the N-word pass back.
It's me, Jesus.
Oh,
He
no.
died. It's me, Jesus Christ.
Ooh, I love
Getting
smiling
all the passes.
areas with
The
my
Mexican pass.
Put it down, put it down,
Pass.
put it down.
The Chinese pass.
Hey, hey.
He's exploding. He's exploding.
Hey, just think of Mega Man X8. Think of
Oh,
Mega Man
Spark is
X8.
about
Think
to
of Mega
die.
Man X8. Think of Mega Man X8.
That sucky game, no.
Welcome to Ricefield.
Welcome to Ricefield.
I don't even know who the fuck are you.
Now I'm getting really homesick.
Hang around Welcome to these Ricefield. retards.
Exploding to me.
Yeah, I think
No,
that was a
also, you
successful
welcome to-
surgery.
Also,